Hi, it's SWEETNIYA'S, and we are here today with some food that I got from the Oriental Market. Well, Oriental grocery store, actually. We got some pickled vegetables. Actually, it's Korean style pickled vegetables by Kimchi. And we have some potato spicy sticks that we picked up today. And we have spicy peanuts.
Can we start doing this now? Get water for this beautiful food, get water for everything. Amen. Let's eat.
He said it. I can't wait to try these. But we had these before. You have had these before.
Give me these. I want it now.
And he loves them.
I said I went to the bathroom already.
What?
Nothing. But that's okay. Open this bag with me.
I can't open it.
Someone has to open it.
Wait, hold on. Let me see.
Maybe my guess.
Wow. It's hard to open. Why can't get that open?
Somebody might. I'll be right back.
It says open, and then it's not opening. Oh, I got this.
Oh.
I got this one.
No, don't open it like that.
Yeah, open it. I'll rip it off. It's fine.
Yay! Guys, this is what it looks like. I know you saw it in she just
Really curious
TV.
to see what this tastes like. Oh, this is gonna be really hot and spicy. I already see little spicy peppers in there, mixed up in there. There's little spicy peppers mixed in there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. It's non-GMO. Yeah, that's good. Spicy. Ooh, boy. Oh, yeah.
That is really spicy. This
Spicy
thing.
peanuts.
This thing is really spicy. That's what it looks like. It's like little store.
At first, you chew it, it's not that spicy, but then once you start to really chew it, and it sits on your tongue, it's spicy.
Let me try. I'm going to be a fan. I'm going to eat the spicy ones.
Spicy peanuts.
Oh, I got the peppers in there.
See it?
I'm going to eat with the peppers.
Dare you.
What? You
Dare
dare me? You dare me? You dare me? Oh, I smell it. Not that spicy.
So good. Spicy potato sticks.
It's not even spicy, guys. It's not even spicy because it chew. It's just the water to even get spicy. That's a fan.
How many
Like
did you eat? Take more than one.
Oh! You want me to take more than one? I'll take a million, guys.
And this
What?
is pickled
Those peppers.
vegetables. So, this should be interesting.
Really interesting, the peanuts. Now you say with that, but you have fork.
Okay, let's see what this
Look, mine
tastes
has
like.
fork. This is heavy.
It's naturally fermented product, and it's very spicy. Has red pepper powder in it.
Ooh!
It's cabbage, onion, garlic, ginger, scallion, red pepper powder. Is that a fly? Red pepper powder, sugar, and I don't know what that word is. Is that anchovies?
Oh, why is it
I think that's anchovy. Anchovy?
Maybe. Maybe I sleep next to mommy.
This is very, very spicy. Trying to eat
He
it
does some
with
more
the
here.
chopsticks.
Can somebody dump some more here? I want to dump some more here. Mommy, can you dump some more here?
Hmm?
Can you dump some more here?
Big old fly in there. Let me see.
What am I doing with this?
We have two open. You want to open up another one?
Yeah, so
Why?
dump it in there.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Guys, people are people
Out of here. Stupid fly. That's what happens when they have the door open. Flies right in here. The only thing about the summer I don't like is the bugs. These are good. If you like cabbage, you will love that. It tastes good. And spicy stuff. Are you scared of the fly?
I am.
I'm gonna eat it with a fork. Forget the chopsticks. Even though the chopsticks look fancy though. I'll use the chopsticks. It looks fancier. See that? It's all cabbage.
How can you do
Dipped
that?
in red hot pepper. Powder. Oh, Antonio.
Gosh.
It's just a fly. Are you serious?
Mommy might have smacked it.
You're bigger than a fly. You gotta move over a little bit.
I don't want to.
You have to move over a little bit and you will. You're like right on top of me. Okay. My mouth is really on fire. I can't tell which is the hottest. It might be this. Antonio, go that way. Go over there. Please. You go over there and see if you can catch it.
You over there?
Yeah, go over there and see if you can catch the fly. Bye. So these are, like I said, spicy peanuts that I picked up from the Asian Oriental grocery store. And this is what it looks like. It's got red hot jalapeno peppers in there, I think.
Oh my gosh.
Or chili peppers, red hot chili peppers are in there, mixed in there. Did you catch it?
Not yet.
It's trying to catch the fly.
It's behind me.
Flies are so annoying.
Okay, it's over there. Wait, okay.
And it's got some little green stuff in there too, like herbs. It tastes really good though. And my mouth is on fire, but I love it though.
My mouth is not on fire. I'm kind of hard to catch it.
He's right here. Look for these at your local grocery, Asian grocery store. They taste really
Are you
good.
eating some of mine?
Yeah, we're sharing it.
Oh, okay.
These are really good.
Mom can have this. I'm opening another one.
It's the only thing that's not easy to open. You're good. And here's kimchi. Good. I liked it. It's so delicious.
Yeah.
I like hot spicy stuff. Notice I didn't drink no water yet, right? And all this stuff is really hot. My mouth is on fire.
Can we start wrapping this up? Maybe.
Yeah. You're wrapping it up. I'm still enjoying my vegetable pickles here.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. I know what you're doing. Antonio. Have some of that. Go back to the peanuts. Really good.
I'm keeping an eye on it.
My tongue is on fire.
I don't know where at all.
Cleans out your sinuses.
Oh my gosh!
You're not even eating the peanuts. That's even hotter. Try that.
I tried to it's not even hot.
No?
Oh my gosh, this is really hot. No. I think the bug wants the food.
So, let me know if you tried any of this stuff before and if you like it. And also, please like and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And hit the notification bell so you see more videos come up. If there's anything at your local Oriental grocery store that you think you would like to see me try, let me know. Because I got plenty of stuff that's interesting in there to try.
Are we almost done? After we're done eating this, we start wrapping this up. Right?
This young man is in a rush to go to the pool.
What?
You're in a rush to go to the pool.
I want to.
That's what he's thinking about.
I want to swim on the water.
More peanuts.
Like, would you really notice, like, what's a cold day and when somebody goes in the pool outside, it's going to be really warm. I'm not kidding. Like when it's winter and really cold, when the pool's open and you go in there, it's going to be really warm. Really warm. Hot pool.
If you like cabbage, like I said, you will love this. If you don't like cabbage, you would not want to even touch this.
It's really hot, it's going to be cold.
And if you don't like hot spice stuff, of course you ain't gonna want
So it might be, I think the pool might be warm, so like,
I think this would be really good if you add some meat to it. For some reason, I feel like you need to have some chunks of beef in here or some chunks of chicken. It needs meat to balance this out like even better. And I might do that, add some meat to this to finish it. Because I feel like that's what's missing. It tastes like that's what's missing, I mean, the meat. Other than that, it's good though. You said you can't revamp it and making it into something totally different and better. Probably add some fish to it too.
Aww.
Some kind of seafood. Cleaning out my sinuses, that's for sure.
Mine's the only one that has a lot of seasons and stuff for yours. Yours has some seeds in it.
Now I'm drinking some water. Yummy.
Gosh, it's spicy.
But it's good though, right? And the ingredients isn't bad. It actually says they have vitamin E in it. Not bad at all.
This bug is too fast.
So yeah, I'm about to make some meat, some chicken, and add it to this to finish that off because definitely chicken will help it a little bit, taste a little bit better. But it's pretty good. But some kind of meat in there would be perfect. Tony, I'm gonna wrap it up so we can catch that fly because he's driving us cuckoo, right? You wanna wrap it up so we go and try to get that fly out of here? Okay. So, until next time, everybody have a wonderful day, night, and we will see you in the next video, okay? So, peace out, everybody. Peace out.
Peace to the out.